In our last video, I showed you how to upload your HTML template for your hosting business. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can create packages like this in your WHM. WHM stands for Web Host Manager. To begin, let's open our site. In front, put /WHM. Hit enter. Please go to your hosting dashboard. Click here. Go to email history. Click on reseller hosting account. Scroll, and we're going to copy username and password. So let's copy those details and log in. Password and login. Because you're a reseller host, you have two ways of logging in. We have WHMCS login and we have cPanel login. WHMCS is where all your client cPanel accounts will be listed. So here, when you go to list accounts, you see all your cPanels there. So I'll click on list accounts, scroll down, and you can see we have two clients cPanel, this and this. You can log into this client cPanel by clicking on this cPanel logo, and you'll be logged in to this cPanel or this client cPanel right inside your WHM. See, so this our client cPanel. Go back and you can terminate this cPanel by clicking here on this plus and then click on terminate cPanel. You can modify cPanel and change the plan of this cPanel. But that's not the aim of this video. I'll be covering that in other episodes. In this part, I'll be showing you how you can create plans in your WHM. Let's take a look at the plans we'll be creating in our WHM. First, let's go to our homepage and we're going to create a plan called basic. We'll create another plan called standard and then a third plan called ultimate. So we'll go back to WHM. Inside here, just type package. Under packages, click on add a package. Let's create our first package and assign resources to that package. So to create our package, just click here and give it a name. So I'm going to give it basic. Let's assign resources to this package. Because it's a basic package, we don't want to leave it as unlimited. So click here and assign your values. 1024 megabytes is equals to 1 gig. So go back to your package and we want to give them 10 gig SSD storage. You can minimize, you can reduce this storage, all right? So let's say we're going to give them 2 megabytes or 5 megabytes. You can use an online calculator, something like MB to GB, G. Let's enter 1 gig. And here they're giving us 100 megabytes, but the standard is what? Sorry, 1000 megabytes, but the standard is 1024. So if you want 4 gig or 5 gig, you can leave it as this, all right? So if you want, you can use this standard as your 5 gig. So 500 megabytes, come here and you put 500 megabytes as your 5 gig. Bandwidth, don't give them unlimited because this is a basic plan. So you want to give them a terabyte or 10 gig bandwidth. So you can put 10,000 bandwidth. Can I put 10,000 like this? FTP account. We don't have that here, but it's important you assign FTP accounts. So I'll say 5 FTP accounts. Max emails. This is the total number of emails you want to give or assign to this package or this client. Any client who sign up for a basic plan will get 5 emails. Max mail list. You can leave it as unlimited. Databases. Click here and pick something like 5 databases. 5. Subdomains. Maybe 5. Packed domains. You can see 5. Add-on domains. Because this is a basic plan, we want them to only host one website on that package. Please leave it as 0. We want them to only host their website, like one website. So let's leave it as 0. When we go to other packages like standard package or ultimate plan, we want to give them a higher value like 5 websites. Let me take you back to our homepage, and you see on our standard plan they can host 3 websites. So in that case we'll put 3 when we get there, but in this case, which is our basic plan, let's put 1 there. Go back to the top, please. Let's change this to capital, right? Please leave this as default, this default, everything here default, but your max quota per email, please, let's not give them unlimited. Let's give them something like 500. As they continue receiving emails, their inbox will get full with emails and it's going to eat a lot of space. So we want to give them 500 megabytes, and if they exhaust that, they will then what? Upgrade or delete their old emails. Maximum team members. You can give them 5 team members. Leave CGI as default. Scroll down and just click on add. We have created our first package. Let's create our second package. So we'll click on add a package. Let's give it a name. That's standards, and this time we want to give it how many megabytes? Let's check. Let's say 30 megabytes. So go back to our calculator, just put 30 here. Paste that there. Bandwidth, you can also give them 30 gig bandwidth. Maximum FTP can be 10. Maximum emails can be 10. Mail list, just leave it as default. Databases 10. Add-on, subdomains, maybe 10. Packed domains, maybe 10. Your max add-on domains. Now this is the number of websites they can host. Please, let's put 3 there. You can leave this as default, 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 and here maybe 5 or 1000 megabytes, 1024. Team members, leave everything as default and click on add. And finally, let's create our third package. So to create your third package, just go back. Okay, after saving the changes, you just go back, remove the name and put ultimate. Ultimate. Let's change our values. Our ultimate plan comes with 100 gig SSD storage. So 100. Copy this. and paste it here. Now let's say for some reasons you want to give them unlimited storage. You click here and put, sorry, you click here, you can't give them unlimited. All right, you have to still put values there. So make sure you put 999 up to 9 or 10, and this will be classified as unlimited. All right, but I want to give them 100 gig. If you want to give them unlimited bandwidth, put 999 as unlimited. So I'll leave this as unlimited bandwidth. Max FTP account, maybe 15, or unlimited, you put 9999. But with max FTP, you can put unlimited here. Okay, so it's the storage that you can put unlimited. Please just put 99 here, 9999 here. Okay, so let me just use this as an example. All right, so this and this will classify as unlimited, but you can put unlimited here, unlimited here. It will not work. All right, it will give us an error. But with your FTP account, you can put unlimited. Emails, you can put unlimited without problems. But I want to give a value. You can leave this as default. Your, let's say 15. Max databases 15. Subdomains 15. Packed domains 15. Add-on domains, want them to be able to host how many websites? 5 websites. So go back there and let's put 5 websites here. You can leave this as default, default, default. Also leave it as default, but you can put 2, 4, 8, 4, 8 as 2 gig. Default, and you click on add, and your third plan or package will be added. Now let's click on list packages. So go to edit a plan, and we have our packages here: basic, standard, ultimate. You can edit a plan. This will come by default, so just leave it as it is, and that's it. We've created our packages in WHM. This is very important when it comes to creating cPanels for our users. Now let me show you quickly how you can create a cPanel account inside your WHM. So just type create and click on create a new account. So right away you can start selling web hosting packages to clients manually. Okay, so this is manual. Enter their domain name here, enter their username and password, and this is what you'll be using to log into their cPanel. Repeat the password, enter your client's email, pick a package, and then click on create, and that's it. Their cPanel account will be created. To begin, let's enter a domain name. So put something like enter their domain name, enter their username. So just enter their username, password. I'll use the same username as password, and then repeat it. Password strength must be what? 65. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Email. I'll enter an email there. Pick a package. I want to leave it as basic package. scroll down and click on create, and this cPanel will be created. The password may contain the username for security reasons. Okay, so it's not allowed to use the username as passwords, just like we did here. The system is smart enough to know all these things. So I think let's put something like this. Okay, go back. Let's create again. Username, password, paste password here, paste, pick your package and create. And the system is creating cPanel account for this user. And that's it, guys. We've created our cPanel. Now these are our cPanel details. See that? Everything is here. You can log into this cPanel straight away by clicking on go to cPanel. And we are in this cPanel. So you can give this cPanel details to your client. So that's the manual way of creating cPanel account for your clients. You can set up a landing page, start receiving payments, and set up cPanel account manually, and you pass those details over to your clients through their emails. But if you want to automate the whole system, that's where the software WHMCS comes in. They create their own account, and the system will automatically handle all these things for us. So if you're excited, please let's go ahead and install a software called WHMCS. It's a billing and automation system. And that'll be in the next video. So I want to see you in my next episode, where I'll be showing you how you can install WHMCS for your web hosting business. Thank you for watching. Hoping to catch you in my next lesson. Bye bye.